Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You must start by proving control and grabbing a backup. Log into the DNS provider or registrar and export the current zone file or take screenshots. Once done, locate where the DNS code lives, the provider's web editor, an API key for script changes, or an infrastructure as code Git repository. You need credentials and a safe copy before editing. Make sure to note TTL values and current MX. CNAME entries so you can revert quickly if anything goes wrong. You're now changing records. Choose the method, UI, API, or ISC, and update the CNAME, MX, or TXT entries as needed. Reduce TTL to 300 seconds before editing so changes propagate quickly, then apply the modification and monitor the provider's response. Validate syntax and remove conflicting duplicates. Fully qualified domain names sometimes require a trailing dot. Once applied, query using dig or lookup to confirm the updated values from multiple resolvers, and make sure you see the intended IPs or values. Finish by restoring a higher TTL after propagation to reduce query volume and lock instability. Verify resolution from several resolvers and run application-level tests like HTTP requests or email delivery checks to confirm behavior. If something breaks, revert to the exported zone file immediately, confirm registrar glue and name server settings, and rerun dig with +trace to find where old data persists. You should also check provider status and API limits. These common issues often explain unexpected failures.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.